Hey, welcome everyone to an unboxing of the Sennheiser HD450BT wireless headphones. So at the front of the box, you got some features like voice assistant capability and other fun stuff. On the side of the box, it goes through what contents are coming out of it. We're gonna go through anyway. And on the other side of the box, it mentions that it has Aptx Capability, which is great to see from Sennheiser. This is a very typical packaging that you would find from Sennheiser, where you have that one wraparound seal on the left of the back of the box, and then just your typical tape on the right side. And then just going over the contents of the box itself as we get it out. Again, very typical packaging from Sennheiser, very similar to the 350BT, which I have reviewed. You can find that review in the YouTube channel of mine. So we'll start off with the headphones first before we go through the other contents. And you notice that they do collapse in, and let's just do a quick test of something. They look almost identical to the 350BT, by the way. And yeah, I confirm my suspicion is that they collapse in, but they don't fold the ear cups flat. So when you put in your bag, yeah, they fold in, but when they're gonna bulge because they don't fold the ear cups flat, which is just really weird, poor choice of design in my opinion. So the other little baggie that you saw earlier has a auxiliary cable as well as the USB charging cable. And continuing on is that we have like this very unique pouch, a soft traveler's pouch. It's going to be surprising that it's going to fit in such a small case, but I'll go over how it fits in the review video. A link to the review will be in the video description. And then the documentation, we have a quick start guide in various languages and a very large pamphlet paper. So just leave that to the side because it can't be that complicated to set up. And then just safety and warranty information, again in various languages on the other document. So nothing too exciting here to see. That's pretty much the entire unboxing. So yeah, be sure to check out the review. Again, the link will be in the video description. Also in the video description will be links to my social networks and my website. Be sure to hit the like button. It does help. Subscribe, and thanks for watching.